Jai Sanskar. In this segment, we are going to discuss about allotropes of carbon. Allotropes, that means different appearance. આપણને ખબર છે પિક્ચરની અંદર કોઈ હીરો હોય તો એ એક દિવસ પોલીસ ઓફિસર બી બની શકે, જજ પણ બની શકે અને કોઈ સ્ટુડન્ટ કે એનો રોલ પણ પ્લે કરી શકે. એટલા માટે એક શબ્દ વપરાય બહુરૂપિયો, है ना. सेम गोज विथ कार्बन. कार्बन पण आवा डिफरेंट फॉर्म्सनी अंदर अवेलेबल है. देयरफॉर कार्बन माटे आवो वर्ड यूज थाय छे कि इट हैज सो मेनी एलोट्रोप्स. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट ओनली 3 एलोट्रोप्स ऑफ कार्बन. फर्स्ट वन इज डायमंड. Diamond has, because carbon has this tetravalency, okay, carbon combines with another carbon and it keeps on combined with another carbons, and due to this covalent bonding, and this carbon-carbon covalent bond is so strong that diamond is the hardest substance present on earth. कोई पण मेटल है खूब ज वधारे थिक है एने कट करवा माटे, माइन्सनी अंदर कट करवा माटे कोईपण वस्तुने दरेक जग्याए डायमंडनी ब्लेडनो यूज थाय छे, बिकॉज इट इज अ हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस एंड it can cut anything with itself. Okay, so diamond is considered to be hardest substance. Okay, next we are going to discuss about graphite. Graphite are basically sheets of hexagons formed by carbon atom. Okay, so consider at each and every angle of this hexagon there is a carbon atom. Okay, so this kind of sheet is there. After this there is a distance of certain mm, and after then there is again a layer of hexagons. Okay, like this. So this is over here diamond is not a conductor of electricity, very high melting and boiling point because of carbon-carbon covalent bonding. Over here also carbon-carbon bonding is there, but between these two layers there is a van der Waals bonding, and due to this van der Waals bonding there is a smoothness, or let's just say it is easy to write with the help of pencil. Pencil ની અંદર સેન્ટર માં જે સબસ્ટન્સ હોય, સેન્ટર માં જે લીડ હોય, which is made up of graphite. Graphite is considered to be a good conductor of electricity also, and this particular graphite is nothing else but a carbon compound. Let's just talk about third and another form of carbon compound, and which is called C60, which is called fullerenes. Because of the geodesic structure that was made by an American architecture named Buckminster Fuller, in the memory of this particular scientist marvelous creation of geodesics, he was this particular C60 was named after him. C60 is a combination of pentagons and hexagons of carbon atoms combined to form a football or volleyball like structure. So these are 3 different forms of carbon which shows the different properties of or different ability of carbon to attach with other carbon. So that's all for now. Thank you.